this drawing. Okay, I just hold drawings, I put it in water, I just draw here only two boards. Okay, it is like, you can see like this. uh, so before dry the paper, I just take it little dark color, little dark, uh, and I want to make in top of it little Prussian blue before dry. This whole color is coming down slowly, so don't worry. So far is a it look like a so far one mountain, but it is very foggy, so it will not visible properly. Again, I erasing this area white. I wash my brush and I just erase this. This area should be white. Okay. Just first tone are making like this and wait for the second tone. Okay, I just wait for the